Imagine living in a home where every meal you eat is tested for poison, where you can't open a window without permission, and where armed guards watch your every move. For the President of the United States, this is daily life inside the White House. The intense security measures at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue go far beyond what most people realize. In this video, we'll reveal the extraordinary lengths taken to protect the leader of the free world, from air filtration systems that can detect biological weapons to a labyrinth of secret tunnels beneath the grounds. At 2:37 a.m., the White House security team springs into action as an unidentified heat signature approaches the perimeter. This is no ordinary intruder. Conventional detection methods have failed to pick up any sign of the threat. The multi-layered perimeter defense system, a cutting-edge marvel of modern security technology, faces its ultimate test. The White House's invisible shield consists of an array of sophisticated sensors and detection systems. Infrared cameras scan the grounds, capable of detecting even the faintest heat signatures from potential intruders. Pressure pads buried beneath the lawn can sense the slightest footstep, while laser detection grids create an invisible web of protection around the property. As the unidentified threat advances, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary security breach. The intruder has managed to evade detection by some of the most advanced systems in the world. This scenario highlights the constant evolution of perimeter security technology at the White House. What was once considered impenetrable must be continually updated to address new and emerging threats. The security team watches with bated breath as the intruder approaches the newly raised perimeter fence. This fence, a recent addition to the White House's defenses, stands as a testament to the ongoing efforts to enhance security measures. Its installation was a response to previous incidents where individuals managed to scale the old fence and reach the White House grounds. As the threat draws nearer, the true capabilities of the White House's perimeter defenses are revealed. The fence, far more than just a physical barrier, is equipped with state-of-the-art pressure sensors. These sensors can detect even the slightest attempt to climb or breach the fence, triggering an immediate response from security personnel. In a matter of seconds, the pressure sensors in the fence detect the intruder's presence. Alarms blare across the White House grounds as the security team mobilizes to neutralize the threat. The advanced perimeter defense system has proven its worth, demonstrating the critical importance of layered security measures in protecting one of the world's most high-profile targets. As alarms subside on the ground, a new alert sounds in the White House Situation Room. An unidentified aircraft has entered the no-fly zone, evading initial detection methods. How does the world's most secure residence defend against threats from the skies? The airspace above the White House is one of the most restricted in the world, extending 15 nautical miles around the area. This no-fly zone is rigorously enforced, with strict controls over any aircraft not scheduled to land at nearby Ronald Reagan National Airport. The complexities of protecting presidential airspace are significant, requiring a multi-tiered defense system that can respond to a wide range of potential threats. As the unidentified aircraft continues its approach, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary incursion. The drone has managed to evade initial detection methods, highlighting the unique challenges posed by small, commercially available unmanned aerial vehicles. These devices, often difficult to detect and highly maneuverable, have forced security teams to constantly adapt their strategies. The White House's air defense system springs into action, employing a comprehensive array of technologies and tactics. Advanced radar systems scan the skies, capable of identifying airborne threats up to a mile away. Fighter jets stand ready to intercept any unauthorized aircraft that may enter the restricted airspace. Surface-to-air missiles are strategically positioned around Washington, D.C., prepared to neutralize threats at a moment's notice. In response to previous drone incidents, the White House has implemented cutting-edge counter-drone technologies. This includes security drones equipped with cameras that can monitor the compound and potentially neutralize unauthorized drones. These measures are part of a broader strategy to address the growing threat posed by small, agile aerial vehicles that can evade traditional air defense systems. As the intruding drone continues its approach, counter-drone measures are activated. The security team must act quickly, balancing the need to neutralize the threat with the potential risks of engaging an aircraft over a densely populated area. The advanced features of the air defense system are put to the test, demonstrating the critical importance of having multiple layers of protection against aerial threats. In a matter of moments, the counter-drone measures successfully neutralize the threat, bringing the unauthorized drone safely to the ground without causing collateral damage. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the constant evolution required in White House security measures. As technology advances and new threats emerge, the teams responsible for protecting the president and the symbol of American democracy must remain vigilant and adaptable. The White House's defenses extend far beyond its perimeter. As world leaders gather for a state dinner, an unexpected alert sounds deep within the building. What hidden fortifications protect America's most iconic residents from threats that slip past the front door? The White House's internal security measures are as comprehensive as they are discreet. A network of advanced sensors and detectors blanket the building, constantly monitoring for any unauthorized access or suspicious activity. These systems are designed to work in tandem, creating multiple layers of protection that extend from the basement to the roof. During the state dinner, the intruder manages to bypass initial checkpoints, highlighting the importance of redundant security measures. The White House's reinforced structure plays a crucial role in containing potential threats. The building underwent significant renovations in the late 1940s, with the outer walls completely rebuilt and a new steel frame skeleton installed. This skeleton is supported by over 120 reinforced concrete columns that extend to a depth of 25 feet, providing exceptional structural integrity. One of the most visible yet understated security features is the White House's windows. All 147 windows are made of extra-thick bulletproof glass, designed to withstand high-powered rifle shots. This was demonstrated in a 2012 incident where shots were fired at the building, but failed to penetrate the windows. Beyond ballistic protection, the White House incorporates blast-resistant materials throughout its structure, ensuring resilience against various types of attacks. As the intruder progresses deeper into the building, they encounter an invisible web of surveillance. High-definition cameras and motion detectors cover every angle, leaving no blind spots. These systems feed into a central monitoring station where security personnel can track any movement in real time. The White House also employs a state-of-the-art air filtration system capable of detecting and neutralizing airborne threats, ensuring a safe environment for the president and staff even in the face of biological or chemical attacks. With the threat detected, the Secret Service Coordination Room springs into action. This nerve center of White House security manages the response with military precision. Agents stationed throughout the building are instantly alerted and mobilized. The room's advanced communication systems allow for seamless coordination between different security teams, ensuring a rapid and effective response to the intrusion. The Presidential Emergency Operations Center, PEOC, stands ready as a last line of defense. Built as a concrete air raid shelter, this hidden bunker provides a secure location for communication and operations during extreme emergencies. While not needed in this instance, its existence underscores the lengths taken to ensure continuity of government in any scenario. Beyond concrete bunkers, the president's safety relies on a human shield of highly trained individuals. But when a breach occurs during a high-profile event, even the most rigorous preparations are put to the test. How does the Secret Service respond when their worst-case scenario becomes reality? The president's personal safety is ensured through a multifaceted approach that combines cutting-edge technology with human expertise. At the core of this protective cocoon is the Secret Service, an elite force of approximately 7,000 personnel. Of these, about 1,300 agents in the Uniform Division are dedicated to protecting the president and their family. These agents undergo rigorous training that prepares them for a wide range of scenarios, from potential intruders to nuclear attacks. During a public address, the unthinkable happens. Despite multiple layers of security, an armed individual manages to breach the perimeter. The Secret Service's extensive training is put to the test as they rapidly assess and respond to the threat. Their coordinated action demonstrates the effectiveness of their preparation, as they swiftly neutralize the danger without harm to the president or bystanders. This incident highlights the critical importance of the less visible aspects of presidential protection. Food testers, for instance, play a crucial role in safeguarding the president against potential poisoning attempts. In 2013, Reports emerged that President Barack Obama refused to eat at a White House event because his food tester was not present, underscoring the significance of this security measure. The president's protection extends beyond the White House grounds. When traveling, the president is transported in a specially designed vehicle known as the Beast. This presidential limousine is a marvel of security engineering, equipped with advanced features including armor plating, bulletproof glass, and a self-sealing fuel tank. The Beast is designed to withstand chemical attacks and maintains a secure communication system, ensuring the president remains connected during emergencies. As the threat level escalates during the public address incident, the Secret Service initiates emergency protocols. The president is swiftly moved towards a secure location, showcasing the seamless coordination between different security elements. The agent's ability to adapt to rapidly changing circumstances proves crucial in maintaining the president's safety. In extreme situations, the president can retreat to the underground bunker, a facility designed to keep the leadership safe and operational during crises. In 2010, significant renovations were made to these underground facilities, although specific details about these enhancements remain classified. This secure retreat serves as the ultimate fail-safe, ensuring continuity of government even in the most dire circumstances. The White House's security measures continue to evolve, adapting to emerging threats in an increasingly complex world. AI-driven threat detection and advanced biometric screening are being integrated, allowing for faster and more accurate responses to potential dangers. These technological advancements, however, raise important questions about the delicate balance between presidential security and public accessibility. As the White House becomes more fortified, it risks becoming further removed from the citizens it serves. The dedication of those who protect the symbol of American democracy is unwavering. Secret Service agents, security personnel, and countless others work tirelessly behind the scenes, often at great personal sacrifice. Their commitment ensures that the White House remains not just a secure fortress, but a living symbol of democratic ideals, open to the people it represents while safeguarding the continuity of government in the face of ever-evolving threats.